Hello friends, welcome back to your channel. I am Amit. Today I will tell you how to create a website with the help of AI. Let's get started. First you have to log in into your Hostinger account and open HPanel. After that click on website option, then choose add website. After that it will ask you to create or migrate website. Choose first option, create a website. Then it will ask to build a website. Then it will show you two options, WordPress or Hostinger website builder. We have already created a website with WordPress. Today we will go with AI. Then choose Hostinger website builder. Then click on next button. Now it will ask your domain or subdomain here. If you have free domain then you can also use here, or you can also go with your subdomain. I am just typing my subdomain here. It will also display the all domain or subdomain whatever will be available here. You can choose this one, then click on next button. Now see, this is the main window. Here you need to command AI. First off, you need to choose your type of your website, like business website, online store, landing page, blog, portfolio, restaurant. You can choose the type of your website. I will go with first one, business showcase. Then type your brand name here. And you can see there is one more option like description. You need to define what type of website you have. About us of your website, or what type of color you want to put on your website. You need to all information here. Then it will create a better option for you. I am just going to create a simple website like digital marketing website, 3-4 pages, and I am typing just a prompt here. We are digital marketing agency with these services like web designing, graphic designing, hoarding, SMS, WhatsApp marketing, so many services. Then after that click on create a website. Now it is creating your website, writing a unique content for you, then looking for pictures, then right colors for your website, then font style, then layout design, and alignments. I think due to the high traffic sometimes we face this issue, but don't worry, we will try it again. Just again click on create a website. It will take few more seconds to create a website for you. Just wait and watch. Just wait for 2-3 seconds. Again doing the same process. Yes, your website has created. Now you can see everything is here. Logo is here, menu, then you have banner with text. Like you can see services, then you can say testimonial. Footer section is also here. One of the good thing is you don't need any technical skills to create this type of website. Just click and edit. One more option, edit site. Then you can see there are multiple options you can do with this website. Adjust images and content, customize design, modify structure, add new section, then last you can publish your website. It is very simple. Let's start first this header option. You can easily just click on text. You can double click on text. Rewrite this text or edit in text. It's very simple. can also change its font size. Very easy options are there. It is happening like you are working in office software. Just scroll down. You can also add any section here. When you scroll down, it will show you add section options. I will add a section for you here. Just click on this add section. Then it will show you multiple layouts for section option. There are multiple options you can see. You can choose as per your requirement. I am just looking 3 column design and just choose this or this. I think right side is much better. Let's choose this one. It is good. Just click on it, then I will show my successful campaign here. Just type successful campaigns. At below I will show the project name, whatever campaign we have created. You can also change text, and after that you can change the images according to your project or services. Change this one. Then this one. Now we have changed the text add section. Now it's time to change the image. With the help of AI. With the help of AI we can also create images. We just need to put image description within 30 characters. Just I am typing here digital marketing for real estate. Just type digital marketing for real estate and it will create few images for you. Just click on create images. Now see, it has created 2 images for you. Just click and it will automatically replace from your image. Now close this window. Your all images will be stored in your media library. See, images are looking good. Now you have see we have changed content, then image, then heading, then section. This is your footer section. You need to just change your contact number, email ID. Change your contact information here. I think almost website has been completed. Now it's time to publish. One more thing, you can see at the left side we have few more options like card, design, style. You can also use them. You can also check all the options and implement in your website. They all are very simple. Now let's connect your website. Just click on connect domain, then it will give you 2 options. Also getting a message, your site is live now, congrats. And it is giving 2 options. First is preview of your website, then second one is connect your domain. Just click second option, connect domain. Now we have the same window. Just type your domain name here, designing.amitdigital.in. I am using my subdomain here. Just click on it, then next. I think there is some issue. Domain was already hosted, but we use the same domain. Don't worry, we will delete it. We will delete it first and add again. Don't worry. Just go back your website section where your old website, where your old domains are showing. Go back to your H panel and click on websites. Then see your preview domain is also here, and the domain we are trying to connect, it is also here. Just delete this first. We need to delete this domain first. Just click on three dot menu and click on delete. And choose this, then click on delete. Done. Just refresh the page and see the domain is deleted or not. Yes, domain is deleted. Now go back again the same page and type your subdomain here. Then click on next. Now you can see domain is connected. Your website is live now. Back to Hostinger Builder. Now you can see at the top of your website it is showing designing.amirdigital.in with green tag. It means your website is live and connected with your domain. You can also check your live website. Now it is also showing here domain connected. I hope you understand the concept. If you face any issue, just comment. I will try to resolve. Thank you friends. Please support my channel. Please like, share the video and subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.